Top-notch email marketing suggestions to help your business. Would you like to reach a broad audience in a very direct way? You can do that with email marketing. But how can you use email marketing to its fullest potential? In this video, you'll find some great tips that will make the emails you send out a huge success. Be sure of all the colors you use in your email are neutral. If colors are too bland, the customer may not want to read the video. On the other hand, if the colors are too bright, it could frustrate the reader. Try to stick with neutral colors, like black, gray, and white. Know who your audience is. Encourage your subscribers to invite their friends to join your list too. You should also be sure you have a subscribe link sent out in your email. This will help your existing customers send a link to their friends. Your customer base will grow easily and effectively. Data mine your email list and bucket your audience into various segments based off of any profiling data you have. This will allow you to be more strategic with your messaging and effectively increase your chances of higher open and click-through rates. Even if you don't have profiling, look to geo-targeting. Various regions respond differently to different types of messaging. If you have images or graphics, put them on the left side of the email message. Make sure that your call to action element is always on this side. Research has documented that this location produces almost double the number of clicks to your product, service or website than placing these elements anywhere else does. Now that you've watched this video, you know how to make email marketing work for you. Apply these tips, and you're sure to see results. Feel free to experiment with what you've learned and develop new strategies of your own. A little emailing can go a very, very long way. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.